Here we are at the Poppy Factory in Richmond upon Thames, which has been helping veterans find employment since 1922.
Ever wondered where the world-famous remembrance products come from?
Many are made here.
Come and take a look.
The Poppy Factory was founded to take servicemen from World War I was injured or sick, a job, a purpose. A lot of people wouldn't apply these veterans that have lost limbs. So the Poppy Factory was founded to help these people to find employment and pride, so their purpose lived. Different kinds of workers on here. On the production floor, we make all the wreaths, remembrance symbols. We also have another team that do the employment that help veterans back into work across England, Wales and Northern Ireland. We roughly help about 1,200 people each year. I don't fall through the Poppy Factory because I lost my job and I couldn't find another job because a lot of people wouldn't take a female veteran with PTSD on. So I contacted them here and I got a trial. I've been here 9 years.
Why do you think it's important to remember those who fought in wars?
Been affecting myself. We went to Afghanistan, we've lost people. Even as the Air Force, we had helicopter crashes that lost life. It's just important to remember those that gave their lives.
With traditions such as remembrance and poppy wearing, it's imperative that we pass these on to our younger generations so that then they continue on into the future and wars and all of those are not forgotten.
I think the cadets play the role of education. So I know at schools a lot of cadets lead their remembrance services and making sure that people are educated on what's happened in the past and why we should be grateful, but also why we shouldn't repeat the past.